Hello everybody, it's that time of the year, spring 2026. So we're gonna start a new garden series. I'm gonna take you guys through planting and going through the process of growing different crops. I'm gonna show you the garden, make a lot of different series on what we're doing. So stay tuned for all updates on that. We're gonna go through from the beginning right now. Now it's spring. I'm gonna show you how the garden looks at the beginning of spring so that we can follow along and see how it does throughout the season. Let's go. So we're gonna start with this bed over here. You can see I had to use some grass clippings to cover the bed so that weeds don't come out. You can see some seeds from onions and garlic that was here last year. The seeds dropped in and they started germinating already. You can see. So some of them, I'm just gonna leave them in place and just provide them with nutrients. We just threw some garden, some kitchen waste in here to break down over the winter. So we're gonna bury that into the garden bed once we start working on the bed. But that is it for this. We have our plants and other stuff over here. The fruits, raspberries, still vines. Over here we have a few things over here. We just have to use grass clippings to cover this over here. And here is our lean-to greenhouse. Over here we have some herbs and we have some weeds coming out. Let me show you. So you can see onions, cold weather plants, they easily pick up in this beginning when the temperature starts warming up. We have more herbs over here that just picked up from last year. So just have to, this needs a little bit of watering. More herbs over here. These are seeds that dropped in here. And then we have some weeds that we need to clean up right there. Just have a lot of weeds in here, so we're gonna clean it up and then add some compost inside and then start growing more stuff on it. And over here we still have these covered with grass leaves and grass clippings. Same with this over here. We have a little bit of cleanup to do. Same over here. We have our vines over here. We have these beds over here. You can see there's a little bit of cleanup to be done. Like I said, we use the leaves, chopped leaves, to protect the beds so that weeds don't start coming out. I'll show you some other areas where the weeds are already coming out because we didn't cover it enough. So here this is the same. This is our trellis over here. Same thing. We covered most of these beds on this side with chopped leaves. You can use grass clippings also. You can see. So area that wasn't really covered, you can see a little bit of weeds coming out right there, but the rest of them look okay. Over here have same thing. I just left this weed barrier there and it protected it. Some of the weeds are coming out on the sides, but the rest are still fine. So same with our fabric raised beds, still fine. We just covered it with grass clippings. You can see the worms are already breaking down some of them. The leaves, chopped leaves over here. Same with our tomato bed right here. Like I said, what we did in the fall was try to cover as much of it as possible, and the reason for that is at least maintain a healthy soil, maintain the temperature so that will at least prevent it from getting the harsh winter temperature as much as we can. You can see we covered it. These are chopped leaves and grass clippings just to protect the beds. Same with some of our containers over here. We just covered all of them with leaves. The rest of the beds over here, we covered them, but some not as much. We didn't have enough time to do some of these, and the other we didn't have enough materials to cover them. So you can see the beds over here. You can see the weeds already coming out. Weeds are already coming out over here. This one was a little bit covered, but it's still not enough. The wind blew some of them away. You can see the garden bed right there. You can see, so you can see this. We didn't clean this section. Hold this section over here. We didn't clean it, so we didn't cover it that much. So you can see weeds. Some of the weeds are already coming out. already. We have to we're gonna have to, when we want to work on the bed or we want to do anything, we're gonna have to clean it up as much as we can to be able to start planting on the bed. So but at least a little bit of was in at least in this section, that at least we don't have the whole bed so far covered with weeds. But you can see this is strawberries already popping out. Strawberries in these containers are already popping out right here. This is our last raised bed we did. We covered it with leaves. I just took out the weed barrier and I just covered the whole bed with leaves. So that is what we have over here. You can see some of these are onions. These are onion leaves right here. From we were growing them from last year. It just started coming out. So some plants like kale and other stuff. This is kale right here. It's already coming out. That's strawberries right there. This is kale right here, already coming out. We also covered this, and then this is our strawberry towers. You can see the strawberry towers. They had a major impact with harsh temperature, so some of them are gonna come out soon, but they are very dry right now. The ones that were close to the ground like these are already coming out. These are strawberries, and we did not clean this raised bed right here, but it's still doing okay, still looking fine. So let's go to the other on this side of it. This is it. So we covered a little bit with grass clippings. We just put some food scraps in here. Same over here. We just use grass clippings, leaves. Sorry, we use leaves to cover this whole section right here. This is our compost pile right here. We covered it with a lot of leaves, and we still have to turn it. That's the next task that we're gonna have to do, is turn the pile, so that way we can have the rest of them continue breaking down. So see the difference over here. These ones were covered, and look at these ones that are not covered. You can see the weeds already coming out, and then the weeds are already coming out in these. So if you don't cover them, the weeds are gonna come out. These herbs that we had some herbs in here. You can see some of them are already coming out. We had herbs in this bed last year, so a lot of them are already coming out. So we have the rest of this. We have a lot of cleaning up to do. Okay, like, comment, save, follow for more videos like this.